Welcome to this Unacademy CAT4MBA channel. My name is Ronak Shah, and in this session I'm going to teach you the logarithm, the complete logarithm. So we are going to start from basics and then we'll practice plenty of questions till the advanced level. Right, so before I go ahead, let me quickly tell you something about myself in case if you are attending my session for the first time. So as you can see on the screen, I have completed my MBA and I'm also an engineer. I have more than 12 years of training experience and I've trained plenty of students for this CAT and other MBA entrance exams. Not only that, I have personally appeared for CAT many times, and we have the best of the educators on this particular channel. So make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Right, so this is the agenda for the session. As you know, to solve the logarithm questions, you need to be really well versed with the laws of logarithm. So that is what we are going to discuss quickly. In fact, I'll tell you how the logarithm was introduced, why it was introduced, and so on and so forth. And then we'll practice plenty of questions. Right, in case if you haven't subscribed to our channel, so quickly do it. This is our channel where you are watching this video right now, and this is our Telegram channel. So please be part of that so that you can be updated regularly. And yeah, in case if you want to continue learning, then you can also subscribe to Unacademy the app. So you can download the app and then you can click on the subscription. You will see various plans. So among them, you can either go for 3 months plan or 12 months plan, whatever is convenient for you. In case if you are planning to appear for CAT next year, then go for this 24 months plan so that you can enjoy all the benefits. Yeah, do not forget to use my referral code. Using this, you will get 10% waiver and you will be able to interact with me personally. Right, so guys, let's crack it and let's begin. So we are starting with the introduction of logarithm. In case if you haven't gone through my basics of logarithm video, then here is the introduction. So it was introduced by that mathematician called John Napier. So because in the earlier times there was no calculator available, so to make calculations related to high power numbers, this is the logarithm concept of logarithm was introduced. So in simple way, if I want to explain, all of you know that 2 raised to 5 is 32, right? So in the log form, if you want to represent this thing, so you can write it log of 32 with base 2, this will be 5, as simple as that. So if you raise this base to this power, you will get this as the result. So 2 raised to 5 is 32. So log of 32 with base 2 will be 5. So this is how we represent a number in the log form, in case if you are not clear about this particular thing. Yeah, hi Robin and Varshini, good evening. Now you know one thing, that any number raised to 0 power, it's 1, right? So that's how this rule came, that log of 1 with any base a, it will be 0. And please remember, if I take any positive number, even if I raise to any power, any power, whether it's positive or negative, the result will always be greater than 0, right? And that's why log of negative number with any base, it's not defined. So this is not defined, right? So these are a few points that you had to understand. So let's quickly go ahead with the laws of logarithm. Great. Yeah, hi Dhwani, good evening. So first point that you need to understand is log are of two types, guys. Log are of two types. One is called natural log and another is called common log. So natural log has base e. Okay, so a log with base e is called natural log. We don't need to study natural log, of course. We need to look at only common logarithm. So common logarithm is the log with base 10. Right, so we need to study common logarithm and the other logarithm which will have base 2, 3, 4. The base can be anything, but we don't need to study this natural logarithm. In fact, if you look at your calculator, you will find one key with ln, right? If you look at the scientific calculator, so this ln indicates log with base e, and then common logarithm will be represented like log. So if I take log of 2, so it is understood that it's with base 10, and if you check this value, it's 0.3010. So this is with the base 10, right? Just for your understanding, guys. So coming back to the rules, if nothing is mentioned in the base, you will consider that base as 10. That's the first point. Second, log of negative number is not defined. Third point, log of 1 with any base is 0. We have understood, because any number raised to 0 power, it's 1. So that's why log of 1 with any base is 0. So I'm sure all of you are clear with these 3 rules. Then the fourth rule, log of a with base a is 1, because a raised to 1, it's equal to a. So that's how this rule came. Log of a with base a, it's 1. Guys, are you all clear with this point? Yeah. Okay. The next rule is this one, and this is something that you will have to remember. So log of b raised to n. Now understand, this is the number and this is the power of the number with the base a is equal to n log of b with base a. So this power, the power of the number, will come in the multiplication. So you will put it like this one, n log of b with base a. Let's take one example for this one. So if I say log of 2 raised to 5 with base 3, so this can be written as 5 into log of 2 with base 3. Yeah, have you all understood this part, everyone? Okay, so let's go ahead with the next one. Next few more rules. So log of b with base a raised to n is equal to 1 upon n log of b with base a. So now here we have power in the base, so that power will come in the division. So let's take one more example for this one. Log of 3 with base 2 raised to 5. So this will be 1 upon 5 into log of 3 with base 2. You know what I have done is I have just shifted this power over here in the division. So if there is a power of number, it will come in the multiplication. If there is a power of base, that will come in the division. So this is how we can get this rule, that log of b raised to m with base a raised to n is equal to m by n log of b with base a. So once again, if I want to take one example, I can say it this way. Log of 4 raised to 5 with base 2 raised to 3 is equal to 5 by 3 into log of 4 with base 2. Now of course we can also simplify this one a bit. So this can be written as 5 by 3 into, now what is log of 4? It's 2 square with base 2. So again this 2 will come in the multiplication. So this will be 5 by 3 into 2 into log of 2 with base 2. And of course log of a with base a is 1. So this part will be equal to 1. So answer will be 10 by 3. Everyone, can you solve such questions? Quickly show me a thumbs up. Everyone, those who are watching video right now, please show me a thumbs up so that we can go ahead with the next rule. Okay, so the next rule says that log of product of two numbers will be equal to log of x plus log of y. So for example, log of 6. Now what is 6? 2 into 3. So this will be written as log of 2 plus log of 3. Same way, if two numbers are in division, then there will be a minus sign. So log of 6 can also be written as log of 12 minus log of 2. Why? Please understand this rule. 6 is what? 12 divided by 2. So log of 12 divided by 2 is equal to log of 12 minus log of 2. Yeah. Hi Sumit. Great. Fine guys, and there is one more rule. Log of b with base a is equal to 1 upon log of a with base b. So this rule, according to this rule, when you take reciprocal of a log number, so the base and the number will interchange the position. So I have taken a reciprocal of logarithm, so this two will interchange. And guys, let me quickly tell you, I mean in CAT exam, if you look at last 4-5 years, every year you will find 2 questions from logarithm. Isn't that wonderful? Just remember this 8-9 rules and you will be able to solve those 2 questions straight away out of 34 questions. And if you look at logarithm question, they are not actually that difficult, right? In fact, you will find solving some of the questions in this session itself which have come in the previous years, right? So tomorrow we are going to have an advanced logarithm session where we are going to practice few more questions, but even in the basic session we are going to solve some questions which have appeared in CAT exam. It's purely based on this rule, and then you're understanding to the other concept like numbers and APGP and so on and so forth. So one last rule guys, so this is the rule that you need to remember. A raised to log of b with base a is equal to b. So let's take example of this one. So there is a number 2 and there is a logarithm in the power. So log of 5 with base 2. So if this base and the base of the log are same, the result will be straight away 5. So this is how you need to remember this particular rule, right? So once again, let's quickly recap the rules so that in case if you have missed out anything, guys, you can once again give a glance. First rule, nothing is mentioned, so base will be taken as 10. Log of negative number is not defined. Then log of 1 is 0. Log of a with base a is 1. We are going to use this rule very frequently, so please remember. And then you can, if you want, you can directly remember this rule, log of b raised to m with base a raised to n. So it's equal to m by n log of b with base a, right? And product of two numbers, so log of x plus log of y, division of two numbers, log of x minus log of y, Reciprocal, when we take reciprocal, so base and number will interchange the position, and this is the last rule. Correct, everyone? So shall we go ahead with the questions? Are you all ready? Fine. So let's go ahead. So what will be this value? So simply log of 25 is nothing but log of 5 square with base 5. So 2 will be in the multiplication. So it will be 2 log of 5 with base 5, right? And this is going to be 1. So answer will be 2 into 1. That is 2. The answer will be 2. Correct? Same way, can you tell me what will be the answer of this one? Please write down the answer in the chat box. Log of 3 with log of 1 by 3 with base 3. In fact, there are two ways to solve this question. Answer will come out to be the same. So the first way is you consider this as log of 1 by 3, which is log of 1 minus log of 3. And what is the base? It's 3. So both the numbers will have base as 3. Log of 1 with any base, of course it's 0. Minus log of 3 with base 3, it's 1. So 0 minus 1, it's minus 1. The other method is, you can say this is log of 3 raised to minus 1 with base 3. This power will come in the multiplication. Yes, so this will be minus 1 into log of 3 with base 3. And of course this is 1. So minus 1 into 1 is again minus 1. See, you are going to get the same answer if you apply the rules correctly. Yep. So tell me the answer for this quickly. Everyone, solve this third one. Log of 3 with base root 3. What will be the value? Which rule shall we apply? I have mentioned all the rules over here. In fact, the important rules over here. The answer for this one will be 2, guys. The answer will be 2. Why? Because log of 3 raised to 1 with the base 3 raised to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 upon 1 by 2 into log of 3 with base 3. So of course this is 1, and 1 upon 1 by 2 is 2. Yes or no? Correct. So answer is 2. Fine. So I hope all of you have understood this. Great. So let's go ahead. Now see, in this question log of 5 is given as 0.7. So can I say log of 1 by 5? So you can say this is log of 5 raised to minus 1, which is minus 1 into log of 5. And of course this is 0.7. So the result will be minus 0.7. Very simple, right? Now tell me what will be the answer for this one and this one. Quickly solve and get me the answers, guys. Sure. I'm waiting for your answers. Everyone. What will be the value of this one? Log of 0.5. So of course you can consider this as log of 5 by 10, which is equal to log of 5 minus log of 10. And when nothing is mentioned over here, this will be taken as base 10. So this is 1, and log of 5, of course, 0.7. So this will come out to be minus 0.3. Correct? Let me tell you, we are going to solve plenty of questions, and if you remember this basic rules, automatically in the advanced level your mind will start thinking about the rules that you will require to apply, right? So we really don't need to jump to advanced level question. You should be able to tackle this kind of questions first. Okay, same for example log of 0.2. Now how will I do it? I can't say 2 by 10. Okay, we can also say this is 2 by 10, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So log of 1 by 5, of course we know, minus 0.7. So this answer has to be minus 0.7, right? So yeah, these are some of the basic questions that we had to solve. Now let's look at some tricky questions, everyone. So tell me the value of x over here. Type your answer in the chat box quickly. I don't think it should take more than 30 seconds. So solve these questions in 30 seconds. Chalo, what will be the answer for this question? Uh-huh. It's not option C, guys. Check it carefully. Will it be option C? No. This is not correct. Guys, so let me show you. You will have to apply this rule. Acha, there is one rule which I haven't mentioned over here. Okay. Guys, remember this rule. Just a moment. One rule is missed. So it is this rule. Log of A with base B is equal to log of A upon log of B. So we will require to use this rule in this question. So let's quickly look at that. Once again, let me write it over here. Log of B with base A. If I write B with base A, so this will be equal to log of B with base log of B upon log of A. So remember this rule, huh? Will you all remember this? In case if you haven't noted down, please note down quickly. So here log of P with base 5 can be written as log of P upon log of 5 into log of X with base P can be written as log of X upon log of P. Correct? So of course log of P will get cancelled off and will be left with log of X with log of 5. So this is log of X upon log of 5, which is nothing but log of X with base 5, and this is given as 2. So of course what will be the result when I raise 5 to the power 2? Of course this will come out to be 25. 5 to the power 2 is nothing but 25. So X should be 25. Yes, everyone? Have you all understood this? Quickly show me a thumbs up so that we can go to the next part, and please note down this rule. This is very important. We are going to use it so frequently. Okay, so please note down this rule. The last one. Yeah, great. So here is one more question. Tell me what will be the answer. This indicates the greatest integer less than or equal to n. As you know what is the greatest integer value of 3.1? It's 3. What is the greatest integer value of -4? Since -4 is an integer, the result will be -4 itself. So I'm sure you understand greatest integer. Yeah. No, guys. Dhwani, it will not be 4. Check your answer. It will not be 4. See, please understand, log of 10,000 with base 10. Can I say this is equal to 4? Log of 1000 with base 10. Can I say this is equal to 3? Everyone? So any value between these two, 10,000 and 1000, will be 3 point something. It should be 3 point something. Yes or no? Right? So if you solve this thing, log of 6730.4 with base 10, it will be 3 point something. And the greatest integer value of 3 point something is equal to 3. It's greatest integer value. So you will check the first integer on the left hand side if the number is decimal, and that's why the answer will be 3. So none of this. Yep. So I'm sure all of you are pretty clear now, guys. Okay, great. So let's go ahead. Let's go to the next question. So are you finding logarithm easy now, guys? Isn't that interesting? It's like playing video game. You need to remember certain commands, and then depending upon situation, you will apply those commands. It's as simple as that, right? Yeah. So let's go ahead with this one. Arrange the following in ascending order. Everyone, tell me the answer quickly. You need to arrange the following in ascending order. 2401, of course, it's 7 raised to 4 for your knowledge, information, you can say. Acha, this one is like this. Okay, and this one is 216 and this is 32. So guys, of course, can I say this value will be 4? Same way, this value, if you just check, so what will be the total power of 7? 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 7 raised to 7 cube is 343. So what is 1 by 2 plus 3? Of course 3.5. So this will be 3.5, then this will be 3 and this will be 5. So which is the largest among this ascending order? Sorry, so which is the smallest? Guys, of course C is the smallest one. Yep. Oh sorry, this will be 6. Let me just solve this one. Log of 216 is 6 cube and root 6 means 6 raised to 1 by 2. So this will be equal to 3 upon 1 by 2 into log of 6 with base 6. So this will come out to be 6 as the result, because this is 1, right? So the smallest one is B, then A, then D, and then C. It's option D, B, A, D, C. Yep. So I hope all of you are clear about this one. Yeah, let's go ahead, guys. So few more questions. This is a good question, and you will be asked such question in CAT. Tell me, guys, take 2 minutes time to solve this question. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Take your time. Again, you may require to apply this rule, log of just a second, log of B with base A is equal to log of B upon log of A. So sorry, what am I writing? It's log of B upon log of A. So guys, we want to find out log of 2 with base 3, okay, in the form of A and B. So of course the one is saying option D. Okay, let's check. Even I don't remember what's the answer. Log of 5 upon log of 4. See, log of 5 with base 4. So we are applying this rule, log of 5 upon log of 4 into log of 6 upon log of 5. Correct? So this should be equal to in A into B. I'm just multiplying both of this. So right side will be A into B. Correct? This will get cancelled off. So I'll get log of 6 upon log of 4, which is log of 6 with base 4, which is equal to A into B. Yep. Okay. Now guys, log of 6 is nothing but log of 3 into log of 2. So log of 3 with base 4 plus log of 2 with base 4. Can I say log of 2 with base 4? This 4 is nothing but 2 square. So this will come out to be 1 by 2. We have solved sufficient questions. So this power will come in the denominator. So this will come out to be 1 by 2. And this is nothing but 2. 4 is nothing but 2 square. So again, this will come out in the denominator. So 1 by 2 into log of 3 with base 2. And this is equal to AB. Yes, everyone. So now solve this further. So we will take 1 by 2 as a common factor. I'll be left with log of 3 with base 2 plus 1 is equal to AB. Or I can say log of 3 with base 2 is equal to 2AB minus 1. So if I take reciprocal on both sides, so I'll get log of 2 with base 3, which is equal to 1 upon 2ab minus 1. Yes, have you understood this? And that's why you can say it's a CAT question. बस इससे ज़्यादा difficult नहीं आता है. So this is what you should be able to tackle. Yep. And of course there are few tricky questions which you will have to remember. So we are going to discuss them today as well as in tomorrow's session. So everything related to logarithm will be covered, and then you can practice about 30-35 more questions from here and there. Go to Google, website, Google karo, logarithm questions, whatever comes to your hand, pick it and solve it. Best way to practice. Just make proper notes so that you can revise it later on. You don't need to Google again. I'll also upload some practice questions. Fine guys, so few more questions for you. Tell me the answer option for this. That's the advantage of Plus platform. When we take sessions on, when we learn on the Plus platform, immediately I can create the poll and I can understand what answer are you telling. And of course it's slightly more in real time. If you look at the Unacademy sessions, I mean, I directly get your response. I don't need to wait for another 5-10 seconds. So on YouTube, there is always a lag between what I'm speaking and what you are replying. But yeah, it's fun to even learn on YouTube. So keep learning, make best out of both. Someone is saying option A. Yep, that's correct. Others, please try for that. Have you all tried? Did you get option A? Others? Sumit, are you there? Arunima, Robin, Varshini, I can see. Guys, how many of you have posted this channel on and my sessions, of course, on your Facebook or Insta page, or kept as a status of your WhatsApp? Raise your hand if you have done something for CAT4MBA. Okay, so let's understand how to solve this question. Everyone, so we are going to apply this rule. Log of x plus log of y will be equal to log of x into y. Robin is saying posted link on CAT group on WhatsApp. Okay. Dhwani, you are not there on FB and Insta. Okay. Social detox. Are you on social detox? Huh? Yeah, send the links to my friends. Great. Fine. In fact, you can share that link, guys. This tiny URL. Please share this link with as many people as possible. .com/RONAK-sir, because all my sessions are available over there. So once someone gets this kind of ready-made material, now they'll be tempted to explore more, and I'm sure once they come to the channel they would like to subscribe it, because they'll see okay, fine, daily live sessions are happening. So share this URL, tinyurl.com/Ronak-sir. So you will find all my lecture videos over here. I haven't updated that for last 2 days. I'll be doing it today. So all those set theory and progression and all those sessions will be updated today. Fine guys, so let's try to solve this question. So as I mentioned, we can apply this particular rule. Okay, first of all, this 3 will become power of this one. This 5 will become power of this number. And this 7 will become power of this number. And then since these are in addition, so I can straight away multiply them. So I can write log of 81 cube upon 80 cube into 25 raised to 5 upon 24 raised to 5 into 16 raised to 7. This is 7. Divide by 15 raised to 7. Correct? Now you just need to do that prime factorization, guys. So 81 raised to 3. 81 is 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 3. So this will be 3 raised to 12 into this is 5 square whole raised to 5 is 5 raised to 10 into 2. I'll just take 2 over here to 2 raised to 4 raised to 7. So 2 raised to 28. Divide by this log will remain as it is. 80. Now what is the prime factorization of 80? 16 into 5. Please understand 80 is what? 16 5s are. Further what is 16? 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 cube. So it will be 2 raised to 12 into 5 raised to 3. 24. Now what is 24? 8 3s are. 8 is 2 cube. So it will be 2 raised to 15 into 3 raised to 5 into 15. So 5 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 7. So now what is the total power of 3 over here? 3 raised to 12. And what is the total power of 3? 7 plus 5, 12. Got cancelled off. Same way total power of 5, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Got cancelled off. Total power of 2, 28. 15 plus 12, 27. So we'll be left with log 2. Yes or no? Everyone? So it has something to do with prime factorization. This is how you should have solved the question. Okay. Yep. Great, guys. Chalo, let's go ahead. Are you tired? Huh? Are you tired, guys? Or you want to solve some more questions? Shall we take up some more questions? Okay, let's go ahead. Acha, before that, in case if you are not aware about my session timing, so yes, on YouTube, in this week I'm not conducting in the afternoon. I'll be conducting every day 9 to 10 p.m. So quickly subscribe to this channel. And yeah, on Unacademy, for that you should have downloaded the mobile app and you can search me by my name on Unacademy platform, which is Ronak Kumar Shah. And then click on the follow button and attend my free sessions every day from 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, so yeah, you can do it. And Sunday, don't forget, Saturday, Sunday, it's always marathon. So on this Saturday, I'm conducting one session on CAT paper analysis. So you will soon see that part as well. Fine, guys. Chalo, this is also a CAT question. Solve this, everyone. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Not 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Guys, can't give you 5 minutes. So, and yes, many of you haven't pressed the like button. So please like this video, click the like button jaldi se before you solve this question. Otherwise you will not get the correct answer. See, so press the like button and your chances of getting correct answer would go up. Yeah, that's good. Ooh. Once again, guys, you will have to simplify this. You will have to apply this rule. you will have to apply this rule. Okay. Dhwani, I think you have that book. You have the book. You're telling me the answer from the book. Not possible to get it in 30-40 seconds. So in case if you are doing that, Dhwani, don't do it. That would lead you nowhere. That would actually, discourage other students. Because today on the Unacademy session, I observe one thing. When I give you some other questions, you could solve only 2 questions out of 6. Dhwani, are you listening to me? Because those questions were not from that book. So because this question, I mean, see, of course you are going to get the answer, but not in 2 seconds. But Dhwani, how is that possible that you have practiced every sum that I'm giving to you? You can't remember. I am a faculty. I've been training. I have taught this sum at least 10 times in last 5 years. Still, I don't remember. So because there are so many sums, and why your accuracy was only 2 questions out of 6 question today in this one solid figures. Because those were actually very easy question. If you can solve this question, and if I give you something related to cube or cuboid, of course you should be able to solve. While Varshini could solve more questions. Yep. Anyways, it's you. But of course, I'll suggest take some more time and give a thought. Guys, let me just solve this question. There are different ways to think about this question. Okay, one thing is for sure, logarithm part is going to get cancelled off from both sides, right? So here, of course, this 1/3 can be made as a power over here. Sorry, not directly. We can't make it, but at least I can apply this rule and I can multiply all these numbers. Okay, I can multiply all these numbers. So let me just solve this bracket first. So this will come out to be log of 1/2 into x. See, this is 1/2 as it is, this x as it is, and this 1/3 will go over here into 5⁻⁴. What will be the base? Base is same, and that's why I can club this way. See, if the base have been different, had the base been different, we can't do it this way. Remember, okay? So the base is 10, so that's why I can multiply these numbers and this 1/3 as it is. And I'm not just looking at this left part right now, I'm just solving the right part. So I'm solving the right hand side. So now this 1/3 can be placed over here. Okay, so this will come out to be log of x/2 into 5⁻⁴, x⁻⁴, 2⁻⁴, or x/2⁻⁴ into 5⁻⁹. Let's write it this way. Even if you don't solve, that's fine, because ultimately you can see something over here, right? So either way, if you want to keep it as it is, you can also keep it as it is. So you can straight away say x/2 into 5⁻⁴ whole raised to 1/3. Let's keep it this way. Now I'm taking this left hand side. So this one, can I say this one is nothing but log of 10 with base 10. Now why am I doing it? Because there is a base 10 over here, so I want to get log with base 10 over here, so I can write this 1 as log of 10 with base 10 in minus log of 5 with base 10. So this part can be combined. See, this is the left hand side, by the way, which I am writing on the right hand side. So this will be what? Log of 10 by 5, that is log of 2 with base 10, and over here we have log of this one, so can I say this log with base 10 will get cancelled off straight away, and what I'll get is x/2 into 5⁻⁴ whole raised to 1/3 is equal to 2. So first I'll cube both the sides. So if I cube both sides, this 1/3 power will be eliminated. So this is 8, and this 2 will be multiplied over here. So what will I get? 8 into 2, and this 5 by 3 will go in the denominator, so I'll get 5 raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so my x value will be 16 into 5 raised to minus 1 by 3. Okay, fine Dhwani. Chalo, I take your words. But guys, have you all understood this part? See, these are the steps required. Of course, you can skip certain steps. Okay, but then what I've seen is 99% of the students do not get to eliminate this 1 by replacing it by log of 10 with base 10. They fail to eliminate that 1, and that is where they are not able to solve this question. So only 1% students could solve this question because this is actually a special question. Okay, remember that. Getting the logic in logarithm is tricky. Yes, Varshini, I do agree with you. Right, it's not always easy, but yes, remember that thing. It has something to do with those 8 rules. You know, it's not going to be go beyond that. And then what else do you require to use is those number properties and common sense or basic numerical skills, right? Sumit, I have just applied this concept. So once again, just for your information, Sumit, you know, this 1 minus log of 5, guys, I'm just solving it once again because someone hasn't got it cleared. 1 by 3 in the bracket log of 1 by 2 with base 10. Acha, so can I say all these numbers? First of all, this 1 by 3 can be written over here as a power of 5. Sumit, do you agree with this? And then these 3 numbers, these 3 logs are in summation. So log of x plus y equal to log of x into y. So same way, log of 1 by 2 x and 5 raised to 1 by 3 will be equal to product of that. So 1 by 2 into x into 5 raised to 1 by 3. That's the first thing. This is the first step, Sumit. Then put this 1 by 3 power over here. So I have placed this 1 by 3 power over here. Then this 1 can be replaced as log of 10 with base 10. So what is your left hand side? Again, log of x minus y is equal to log of x divided by y. So log of 10 minus log of 5, both have the base same. So this will be equal to log of 10 by 5, which is log of 2. Again, the base will remain same. And this one is again log of, acha, there is base 10 over here. Log of, you know, we are keeping this as it is with base 10. So this, we can cancel off log from both the sides. So it will be equal to 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x into 5 raised to 1 by 3 whole raised to 1 by 3. Now what I'm doing is I'm making cube on both sides. So this 1 by 3 will get cancelled off and 2 cube will be 8. So I'll get 8 equal to 1 by 2 into x into 5 raised to 1 by 3. Or if I further solve it, I'll get x as 16 into 5 raised to minus 1 by 3. That is option B. Guys, are you all clear? Is that clear now? Fine. So one more question. This is definitely a simple question. Should not take much time. Yes, Dhwani, are you there? Robin, Dhwani, who else is there? I think there were a few more students. Okay. Guys, let me tell you what you need to apply over here. Sumita, option B for previous question. For this question, it will not be option B. Guys, you will have to apply this rule and then this rule. You need to apply 2 rules. Correct, Varshini. This one is correct. So 1 upon log of x with base 2 can be written as log of 2 with base x. plus same way this one will be log of 3 with base x, and so on and so forth. This will be log of 6 with base x. So this can be written as log of, right, there is 7 over here, so 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So it's going to be up to 7, by the way, if I just write it. So this will be log of 2 into 3 into 4 up to 7 with base x, correct? So this is 7 factorial is 540. I'm sure all of you remember 5040 with base x. So this was actually an easy question, very easy question. Okay, probably we could have taken this earlier. Yeah. So guys, try for this. This is the last question for today. We'll continue tomorrow with some advanced level questions. Okay guys, in case if you are planning to go for subscription, use this referral code. I'm sure now though you will remember, but still, in case if you are attending my session for the first time, so you can just make a note of that. So yeah, you can take about 1 minute time for this question. See, of course, you will have to start with the innermost bracket. So 1 minus x square raised to minus 1. So this part will be 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x square. And then there is minus 1 power of this one. So this will be 1 upon that. And then there is minus 1 by 2 power of this. Okay, so we will come back to this minus 1 by 2 later on. First of all, let's try to solve this part. So this will come out to be 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x square. So if I just multiply over here, I'll get 1 minus x square minus 1 upon 1 minus x square, which will go to the numerator. So I'll get 1 minus x square divided by minus x square. Correct? So this part will be this much. Acha, 1 second. There is this minus 1. So we have taken care of that. Now it is 1 minus this one, and then there is minus 1 by 2 power. So if I just solve this thing, I'll get minus x square minus 1 plus x square divided by minus x square. So this will get cancelled off. So this will be 1 upon x square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. So 1 upon x square whole raised to minus 1 by 2 is x square raised to 1 by 2, which is x. So basically this value will come out to be x, and so log of x with base 10, it's going to be 1. So for which value of x will it happen? Can I say it should happen for x equal to 10? So option C. Have you all understood this, guys? See, first we started with the innermost bracket, then 1 minus that part, then further 1 minus that part, and so on and so forth. Okay, in fact there is one more question before. Yeah, please try for this question. This is also a CAT question. Tell me the answer for this. This is the last question. Sorry guys, it has nothing to do with this one, so please put it aside. This is not the hint. Okay, eliminate this part. Yeah, solve this question. Tell me the answer. 1 2 3 4. What's the answer, everyone? Yeah, Dhwani, what's the answer for this? Robin, Vashini, Sumit, and others. Yeah, Dhoni, you can say, of course. I don't deny. Guys, please understand, log of 1 with base 7 is going to be 0. So you need to bring this part to be 1. This has to be 1. So for that, can I say this has to be 5? Only then log of 5 with base 5 will be 1. So for what value of x will I get? This as 5. So can I take x as 4? 5 plus 4, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. And square root of 4 is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Log of 5 with base 5 is 1. And log of 1 is going to be 0. So you'll have to go by answer option for such questions. Yep. You'll have to go by answer option for such questions. Correct? You don't need to actually solve this. Otherwise, it will become too complicated. Correct? Everyone? Yes, so here comes the end of our first logarithm session. But before I wind up, just want to quickly tell you about the subscription. So what do you get in subscription? You get test series, you get leaderboard and your national percentile, and you get to interact with me and the other educators very personally, and you can get your doubts addressed and all. There is more personalized learning. What you need to do for that, you need to download the app, you need to install it, then select your goal as CAT, then click on plus and get subscription. You will see various plans. If you're looking for cost effective plan, go for this 3 months plan. It will come out to be 7,000 something. Or if you want comprehensive plan, if you're preparing for this year CAT, go for 12 months plan, or next year 24 months plan. Whatever plan you choose, you apply this referral code and you will get 10% waivers. So remember this code, and you will also inform me so that I'll take care of your preparation. I'll help you out. Okay. And these are some of the other courses of Unacademy. As you know that Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform. So please spread a word so that your friends and other relatives can also be benefited, guys. And yeah, do not forget to download the app and follow my profile so that you can attend my special sessions. These are my timings: 9 to 10 on YouTube, 5 to 6 on Unacademy platform. And yeah, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and you have pressed the bell icon. Ask your friends to do it, spread a word, and subscribe to the Telegram channel. So that's it for today, guys. Let's crack it, and adios.